A team of soldiers have created an armed unmanned aerial vehicle for the Army, which has been a long-pending requirement. The UAV, known as a quadcopter by the team of 2 Army soldiers who developed it, has been used in live operations along the line of control between India and Pakistan and counter-terrorist operations in Jammu and Kashmir. What makes this quadcopter important is that not only the Army, but also the other defense services, don't have armed drones. Separately, the Army has also found that the Indian industry has the capability to develop a more advanced version of this UAV. Demonstrations of some models could be held next month. Although last year the U.S. agreed on supplying armed drones to India, the Army is taking steps towards having indigenous armed AVs. This includes a development effort on its part. The group of 2 soldiers belonging to the 21 Sikh Regiment have created a quadcopter that is capable of carrying out day and night surveillance and dropping grenades on targets. Sepoy Gurpreet Singh and Sepoy Amrik, who developed the UAV, explained that it was created by them in 2015. The quadcopter was initially used for surveillance and was later modified to include the weapon system and was recently tested for dropping grenades. Explaining how it works, Amrik said, "The quadcopter can lift 3 grenades or 2 kg of payload such as ammunition, IEDs and first aid. We manually control the UAV through a remote control. It can also be used automatically, wherein we feed the coordinates on the laptop and it navigates to the areas and drops the grenade after unpinning it. It also has day and night surveillance." All these ideas were given by our commanding officer Colonel Ashutosh Mehta. We had made a basic flying machine and he told us to use it for surveillance and weaponize it, said Gurpreet. The Army calls the quadcopter-hexacopter combo as the seeker-shooter combat management system. It is based on the quadcopter functioning as the seeker to undertake surveillance, while the hexacopter carries the payload to engage the target, according to the problem statement. Sources explained that the Army is looking at either having the seeker and shooter system together or separate. Some companies have offered single indigenous seeker-shooter system and their demonstrations could be in February. The Army is also looking at the possibility that the UAV is able to loiter, which, unlike the quadcopter developed by Gurpreet's team, will be able to more accurately throw in grenades and fire ammunition through loopholes in bunkers and windows. The entire system is one of the 15 make cases being analyzed by the Army. The Army has found that the industry has the capability to make them.